We're having another fire alarm. Caitlin, we're gonna have another drill. We're gonna have a fire drill again. Just hold it. It might. Just be careful. It might go off in a second. It could. Come on, fire alarm, go off. There it went. There we go. I gotta make sure all of it is working. It doesn't matter! We gotta make sure this one. I haven't checked this one. Had to put the fire on it. Just in time. Caitlin got mad about the fire alarm. Caitlin mad because we keep setting up the fire alarms. Now you have to reset it. Now you're gonna have to reset the fire drill later. That was your fault.